Hi, I'm David from Sopoco, and we have just finished this 1.1 megawatt battery install here at AJW.
AJW Group is a leading aviation MRO company. We supply, repair and maintain aircraft components for over 1,000 airlines across over 100 countries. That continuous round-the-clock operation means we have significant and consistent energy demands throughout the day and night, which is why finding smarter ways to manage our power consumption has become increasingly important to us. We installed solar panels and they performed really well, but we realised we were exporting a lot of that clean energy back to the grid for very little return. At the same time, we were still relying heavily on the grid electricity outside daylight hours, which was costly and inefficient. Battery storage makes perfect sense. It lets us store the solar energy we generate during the day and use it during peak evening hours or take advantage of cheaper nighttime tariffs. It's a smarter way to maximise our renewable energy and reduce our operating costs.
We were approached by AJW to explore the option of installing battery storage to their existing solar system. Being a West Sussex-based company, and AJW also being based in West Sussex, we were in a perfect position to deliver this project. The project was not without challenges. The first being that the site had no export data. We had to extrapolate what little data there was to determine the ideal battery capacity for the site, and this is where we brought in Alternergy.
From the initial approach, Sopoco provided half-hourly consumption data, the on-site PV generation data, and energy tariffs. The information was put into Orchestra, a financial modelling platform that helps provide optimal battery sizing. So Orchestra generated performance results based on a range of 1 to 10 batteries, which identified 1.1 megawatt hours or 5 229 kilowatt hour batteries as a sweet spot for capacity, capital expenditure, and return on investment.
So the SunGrow Power Stack is a all-in-one solution with the built-in power stack system, power controller system, liquid cooling system, battery racks, and intelligent EMS system. Everything is a built-in system into the one stack, and it can be scalable up to 25 units without the need of any isolation transformer. Some of the main features of the power stack are the cell level safety, electrical safety that has an additional three level of the safety, includes multi-layer overcurrent protection, anti-arc protection, fast braking DC protection circuit. Fire safety system, it has a built-in smoke sensor which can automatically detect the smoke, detect the fire and shut down the system remotely before it basically causes damage to the system.
The second challenge was the terrible weather. The installation happened in February and we had to fight against torrential rain to keep the installation on time. The biggest challenge of this project was the final electrical connections to the existing supply. This is a 24-hour-a-day operation, and we were given just 2 hours to shut the building down and make those final connections. We liaised with every department within the building to arrange a suitable time, which ended up being between 6 AM and 8 AM, to turn the system off and ensure all connections were made and the building was back online before the day started.
We observed Sopoco's double checks of all the cable connections, runs, and full system tests. We're impressed by the whole team. They were involved in making sure the install was pristine, including areas that would never be seen. I was really pleased to see a woman as a key part of the installation team, and it's a great sign of where the industry is going.
This system will pay for itself within 5 years, and with a 15 to 20 year lifespan of the batteries, this type of investment is a real no-brainer.
The benefits have been immediate and tangible. We're retaining far more of the clean energy we generate on site rather than exporting it. Our electricity costs have come down noticeably, and we significantly improved our energy resilience. And if there are any grid issues, we have backup power available. Beyond the financial side, it has reinforced our commitment to sustainability and made our operations more environmentally friendly and efficient. It is exactly the kind of investment that positions us as a forward-thinking, responsible business that is contributing to the aviation industry's commitment to net zero by 2050.
I would like to say a big thank you to all the stakeholders involved in this project and our team at Sopoco. We are immensely proud to have delivered the biggest power stack battery installation in the UK to date.